It is obvious. I heard it from reliable source, which I will not call the name now, that 5 senators will be removed from the Senate. Those who did not stand with my brother and my elder brother, my good colleague, distinguished Senate President Akpabio. Those who did not vote for him, 5 of us are going. I am number 1. Orji Kalu will go. They have penciled 5 of us. Take it. They told me that I'm going. Orji Kalu is going, and few others are going, because we did not support the emergence of my brother and my colleague Senator Akpabio from emerging the president of the Senate. This is not democracy. The court, we have hope in the court. The court should be careful. Let us build the country. International community are watching us. You cannot withdraw a ground and the Court of Appeal restore a ground without the lawyers asking for that ground to be restored. The court will restore it and then voided somebody's election, people's mandate, on a ground that was withdrawn. If people will be haunted, 5 senators will be removed now because they did not support certain cabal. Mr. President, this is not democracy that you wanted. There was no plan to destabilize the Senate. There was no plan. There was an uproar because of the one-sidedness of the committee, Senate committee, standing committee distribution in the Senate, or allocation in the Senate. We who worked for Yari felt that we are so charged. After my elder brother, my colleague, Senator Akpabio, emerged as Senate President. And we discovered that ranking senators like third-term senators were given no committee, while first-term senators were given category A committees and even given vice chairmanship of 2 category A committees, while others have no committee. I felt it was not right. So when the uproar came, I met Senator Akpabio. With the Deputy Senate President and Senate Leader in attendance. We had a meeting from 1 to 3 a.m. And I brought out the facts and laid bare. And they agreed with me that there was mistake. And that was why they went into the chamber and dissolved all vice chairmanship of all committees for redistribution. And they also created 5 additional standing committees to see that people are pacified. So my voice is working. So if I were to be quiet, it would have gone like that. And maybe the tension will continue to breed. That will bring problem for Akpabio. But at least that has been solved. For my brother, I will not call your name today. I will have time and I'll address. 8 years you are not in power under Buhari. You are in power today. Don't abuse it. For you to say you must see me and be removed. Yes, I'll be removed. And so what? And so what? What next? This is a coup on democracy. This is a coup. The court should not be the one that will give a mandate that Nigerians did not give. This is a coup, and I call all of my supporters to be calm.